Heads up, money moguls. Ever pondered the difference between being late on mere minimum payments and the whole balance? Let's get to the bottom of this enigma. Here's the scoop. Whether you're missing the floor payment or the full amount, both can hurt your credit score, but in distinct ways. Missing the bare minimum is akin to pressing the snooze button on your financial obligations. It may not seem substantial right off the bat, but it can snowball into late fees, sky-high interest rates, and even damage your credit history. Conversely, not paying off your full balance is more like slamming the financial emergency brakes. This move can do more than just dent your credit score. It places you in danger of dealing with collection agencies and potential legal troubles. Bear in mind, placing your financial health at the top of your priority list is crucial. Let's stay one step ahead. Keep the consistent payments coming and your credit score will undoubtedly show its gratitude. Strive for timely payments and reap the rewards. Your financial health depends on it. Give it the attention it deserves and watch your financial stability prosper.